5 strategies for building a bigger email list. Your mailing list is one of the single most important tools in your arsenal that is probably also one of the most underutilized elements of your business. Many of us struggle to understand the relevance of mailing lists due to the simple text-based nature of emails. But if you listen to the biggest influencers and creators in any niche, they will tell you that email is fundamental to their success. The reason for this is simple. People only sign up to mailing lists if they are already highly engaged with your content. This is a direct line to the people who want to hear from you and who will buy from you. To reiterate, this is a direct line. That means you are not reliant on a third party like Google or Facebook to connect you with your audience. That means you can reach them anytime, anywhere, and it means that you can't have your account deleted overnight and almost instantly lose all of the hard work you've put in. So mailing lists are important. How do we grow them? We're about to find out. Build an engaging brand. Incentives, forms with red submit buttons, and all those other tricks are going to work to some extent. But none of it is worth a dime if you don't offer a unique and engaging form of content that people can really connect to. This is absolutely essential. If your content doesn't stand out to your audience, then you won't give them a reason to want to follow you. Think of your website or your blog as a movement, and make sure it's something that people just can't get enough of. Ask for shares. People often forget that you can share an email just like you can share a blog post or Facebook page. It's called forwarding. So ask your audience to forward your content, and you can gain some more growth that way. Deliver value. Again, many people don't recognize the inherent value in email, which leads them to produce relatively bland and empty campaigns. Instead, make sure that each one of your emails offers something worthwhile to your audience. That means a tip, something entertaining, news, or discounts. Give away a post incentive. Many bloggers use incentives to gain subscribers. There are free gifts that people get in exchange for their mailing list. While this can be a successful strategy, you mustn't forget the loyal fans who are already subscribed. In other words, giving away a free gift to your current subscribers is a brilliant way to re-engage them with your content. Offer a service or tool on your site. Finally, consider offering a tool or service on your site. That might be a calorie calculator, a fun questionnaire, or a meme generator. Whatever the case, people are used to handing over their details in order to access these kinds of features. And so this is an excellent way to obtain contact details. Just remember to be explicit about how you intend to use their email.
Hey, this is Chad Pornoa. Thanks again for watching this video. What I'd like to do is offer you a free opportunity to get a powerful backlink builder for your YouTube videos. All you need to do is click the link below this video and you'll get a copy of our 2 backlink builder software for 100% free, plus with YouTube SEO training that will show you in 8 different videos how to make sure that your YouTube channel videos are getting ranked high in the YouTube rankings and Google. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.